David,
Nabasa mo.
I can't blame her.
Kapag nakarating to kay Kiefer, siguradong hindi niya ako papalapitin kay JJ. You know this.
I know. Thank you, David, for taking care of JJ.
That was our deal. You take care of my girlfriend's treatment in New York. Look, Avi.
Buti na lang tinanggap mo yung offer ko para kay Chonsa. Kahit na gulat kang
I
makita
have no
mo.
choice. Ayaw na siyang operahan ng ibang hospital.
Don't worry. We'll see Chonsa soon. Just take care of JJ. Okay? And remember, don't fall in love with her.